Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's video, we're doing a decon. All right guys, so what we're gonna be doing is a decon wash. We're gonna be going over two types of decontamination. We're gonna be doing what's called a chemical decontamination. That includes, well, soap and water, but it really encompasses more of a higher pH or lower pH style soap. We're gonna be doing some very deep cleaning with that. We're also gonna be using an iron remover and a degreaser. These two things are going to be used to remove any of the ferrous materials or anything that's stuck on the side, while the degreaser is going to go in and help break up any of that extra dirt and stuff. The goal is to, well, clean the paint. We got a lot of bugs, we got a lot of dirt, we got probably a lot of iron deposits on this paint. Then finally, after we've washed and done all of our chemical stuff, we're going to go through a mechanical decontamination, which is, well, all purposes a light clean. We're going to be using a clay towel for that. Then, well, that'll be it, because that is the end of what we're going to be doing today, which is decon. That's it. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, I'm soaking the entire vehicle in an all-purpose cleaner, and in this case, we're using Koch Chemi's Green Star. Next, cleaning the wheels and tires, getting those all done with a little bit of degreaser, just to help knock it down. Now, after we've used the degreaser and we've let it do its work and we've rinsed it off the vehicle, our next step is to take our iron remover. Now, an iron remover has an active ingredient called thiol glycolate, and its job is to attack and dissolve all those embedded metal particles that are in the paint surface. When it comes in contact with metal, it turns purple. And that is why the car is starting to have these little purple spots all over it, as they tend to bleed. Now, most iron removers are wheel cleaner, but in this case, we're using Huel, and it is safe and effective also for paint work. Now, after creating a concoction, if you will, of different degreasers and different snow foams, we're going to snow foam the vehicle. And I've got a little trick up my sleeve. Instead of using, say, our green body brush or one of our fine microfiber wash mitts, I'm using the Ultra Clay Towel as my wash media. Now, yes, this will cause some light micro marring because, well, I'm kind of using a lot of pressure on here, but that is because this car is so heavily contaminated that it needs this process. All right guys, so the car is washed and this thing still has a lot of ingrained dirt, a ton of scratches, and just a ton of contamination, period. Now, all of that is primarily in the clear coat, and we found out from the owner of the vehicle that this car, well, I think this is his first wash since they purchased it. And we don't know if that's been 6 months. We don't know if that's been 6 years. So there you have it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want to watch me cleaning and scrubbing and detailing and making other cars pretty. All right, guys, have a good one. Catch you later.